since Batanak has been very, very supportive with AI. He's been very active in most of our events and activities, in the whole AI community. We have a little bit of something gift for you today. We don't normally just give it to any student, actually. You will be the very first student, a badge of honor. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to AI Talks. We are now on season 3, and I have a very special co host for today, Miss Hoi Ching. Come on over. Thank you. Hello.
大家好，我是陈老师。
Oh, what did you say?
Hello everyone.
Oh, okay. So, see you guys later as we invite a family who will be sharing their experience here at Aii Language Center. See ya.
Hello everyone, I'm Kang Won.
Hi everyone, I'm Kang Sapta.
Hi everyone, my name is Kamini Sachan, and
We're all studying at Aii Language Center.
Thank you so much. It's a wonderful introduction. So I'll begin first. I invited the whole family today because Watanak here has a very nice story to share to everyone about the journey on how they find about Aii Language Center, right? Yes.
Correct. So for my family, we started here 10 years ago, 10-year anniversary. And we actually have a relative at MTT campus that joined a year before. And so they recommended the school and we've been here since.
Okay. And then the whole of you are studying here, right? Together with other relatives.
Yes.
Ah, that's fantastic. And how long have you been studying here?
I've been here for 10 years.
Oh, how about you, Sakura?
I'm also the same as him, 10 years.
I see. And then Satya?
for me, I've been here for 6 years.
6 years. That's wonderful. And for those many years you've been here, how do you think AII has helped you when it comes to your growth? Do you see improvement in terms of the way you speak or the way you talk or use English or Chinese?
Yes.
Mhm.
For me, I've joined many of the school events. I learned many skills, met a lot of amazing people, and I can say that my English improved a lot.
Oh.
And I think the confidence that I've gotten from joining events did help. And for my Chinese, since my family is Chinese, I can listen to them gossiping in Chinese.
Okay. I know you can understand, right?
Yeah.
Okay, sure. And how about you, Sakura?
For me, it's an absolute improvement since the last time before I have joined AII. I still remember the time when after I joined AII during my trip to Siem Reap, my parents forced me to talk to tourists with English.
Okay.
It was an absolute journey while studying in AII because of the activities that the teacher provides, and also the homework was also pretty, it involves a lot of thinking and critical skills. And for my Chinese, it also improved like him. It also helped me listen or how if my parents are gossiping about someone else.
Okay, yep. That's very good. Thank you so much for sharing that with us. And the youngest in the group, in the family, how about you?
For me, I improved a lot in my English. Now I can talk to foreigners, and now when I go to another country, I can talk to foreigners, I can translate for my mom, and I can buy things by my own self.
Oh, okay. So your mom's AI translator is you, right? Okay, that's very good. Fantastic. And so based on what you shared, you're currently studying Chinese and you finished studying English, right?
Yes.
And for the both of you?
Yes.
Okay. And for you, you're studying? English. Okay, very good. Mommy will have a few questions with you. My co-host right here will be sharing it in Khmer so that we can, share more experiences.
ជាសួរបងចាសួរបងអញ្ចឹងអរគុណមែនតើដែលបងបានចូលនៅក្នុងកិច្ចសម្ភាសន៍មួយនេះចាអញ្ចឹងសំណួរដំបូងចង់សួរថាក្នុងនាមមកជាអាណាព្យាបាលតើបងគិតថាចំណុចសំខាន់អ្វីខ្លះដែលបងសម្រេចចិត្តឲ្យអូនគាត់រៀនភាសានៅមជ្ឈមណ្ឌលភាសា AI
ចាគុណខ្ញុំមករៀនភាសានៅសាលា AI នេះគឺមានរយៈពេល10ឆ្នាំលើកប្រហែលជាមាន ខ្ញុំមើលឃើញថាសាលា AI នេះគឺជាសាលាបណ្ដុះបណ្ដាលមួយដែលយ៉ាងល្អពីព្រោះអីខ្ញុំឃើញថាគ្រូនីមួយមានបទពិសោធន៍ជាយូរឆ្នាំហើយនឹងមានបទពិសោធន៍បានខ្ពស់ហើយសាលាដូចថាមានកម្មវិធីមួយដូចថាកម្មវិធីមិនថា Halloween ហើយនឹង Christmas កម្មវិធីផ្សេងនីមួយក្នុងសាលាគឺថាកូនរបស់ខ្ញុំបានចូលរួមកម្មវិធីនោះគឺថាបុគ្គលហ្នឹងគឺថាលេងបានសប្បាយជាមួយកម្មវិធីដែលថាសាលាបានចាត់ចែងរៀបចំឲ្យអញ្ចឹងណាអ្នកគ្រូក្នុងថ្នាក់ដូចថាមានផាសុខភាពមានអនាម័យហើយគាត់ដូចថាតំណែងជាមួយគ្រូជាមួយការមិត្តភ័ក្តិរបស់គាត់គឺមានថាតំណែងមកយ៉ាងល្អ
ចាប់ផ្ដើមពីគាត់សិក្សាភាសានៅ AI តើបងគាត់សម្គាល់ឃើញថាគាត់មានភាពរីកចម្រើនអ្វីខ្លះដែរ
តាំងពីកូនខ្ញុំគាត់បានចូលក្នុងសាលារៀន AI មជ្ឈមណ្ឌល AI នឹងមកខ្ញុំក៏សម្គាល់ឃើញកូនខ្ញុំមកមានការរីកចម្រើនច្រើនមិនថាឡាភាសាបរទេសដូចជាភាសាអង់គ្លេសហើយនិងភាសាចិនហើយកូនខ្ញុំដូចថាគាត់ចេះរៀបចំការងាររបស់គាត់កិច្ចការសាលាហើយនឹងការលេងរបស់គាត់នឹងក៏ចេះរៀបចំបានល្អហើយសំខាន់ជាងគេគឺកូនខ្ញុំគាត់ថាគាត់រៀនខាងសាលាមជ្ឈមណ្ឌលនោះគាត់មានភាពក្លាហានអាចតំណែងទៅជាមួយមនុស្សដទៃមិនថាឡើងបងប្អូនខ្ញុំដូចថាមកពីបរទេសឬមួយក៏ខ្ញុំបាននាំគាត់ទៅលេងបរទេសស្រុកក្រៅអញ្ចឹងណាគាត់ហ៊ាននិយាយជាមួយនឹងអ្នកតាថាទៅជុំវិញខ្លួនគាត់ខ្ញុំឃើញកូនរបស់ខ្ញុំមួយគឺមានភាពជឿជាក់ចំពោះខ្លួនគាត់គឺភាសាបរទេសហើយនឹងការសិក្សានៅមជ្ឈមណ្ឌល AI នេះ
ចុះសំណួរបន្ទាប់តើអ្វីដែលជំរុញទឹកចិត្តបងឲ្យកូនសិក្សាភាសាចិននៅមជ្ឈមណ្ឌលភាសា AI
ចាសំខាន់កូនរបស់ខ្ញុំបានសិក្សាភាសាចិននៅ AI នេះដោយសារអាស្រ័យទៅថាខាងគ្រួសាររបស់ខ្ញុំគឺមានខ្សែស្រ័យចិនម្ល៉េះហើយខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យកូនរបស់ខ្ញុំក៏ចេះភាសាចិនមួយដែរពីព្រោះអីនៅតាមបណ្ដាញលើសេដ្ឋកិច្ចសង្គមឥឡូវគឺថាមានអ្នកវិនិយោគចិនមកវិនិយោគខាងនៅកម្ពុជាយើងវាច្រើនហើយខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យកូនខ្ញុំគាត់ចេះភាសាចិនថៃមួយទៀតដោយសារអាស្រ័យលើគេគ្រូនឹងគាត់មានការងាយស្រួលទំនាក់ទំនងជាមួយពួកគាត់
បងចេះចិនដែរទេបង
ខ្ញុំចេះដែរប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំភ្លេចចង់អស់ដែរខ្ញុំខានព្រួយយូរហើយ
ចុះបើសិនជាចង់ឲ្យបងនិយាយថាចង់មានពាក្យពេចន៍អីចែកម្លែកទៅអ្នកព្យាបាលដទៃទៀតជាភាសាចិនបានទេបង
如果爸爸妈妈要孩子们读中文很好发音标准可以让孩子们来到AI 语言中心
Thank you so much. Thank you, Miss Hui Ching, for helping us to get more information. For my kamai, it's always limited, so sumtu. But going back to the kids, the children, okay, they're the most important for me at the end of the day. Are you happy studying here at AII? Watala?
Oh, for me, I'm glad to be a part of the school.
Okay.
I've made many friends, and they're still my friends.
Yes.
And not just students, but also staff. Like I said, I've met many amazing people. So I can say it's a pleasure to be here.
Thank you. It warms our hearts. How about you, Satya?
Yes, I am happy studying here at AI because I can make many friends, I can learn a lot, and I can follow my teacher's instruction.
Thank you. And
Absolutely. My time here at AII is wonderful, and I wish I could stay in the past to study AII again.
yes, they're actually bragging their, language speaking skills right now. I only asked them, are you happy? Say yes or no, but they want to expound more ideas. That's wonderful. What makes you proud to be part of AII?
What makes me proud is that the school in our country, Cambodia, I can say it has a really big name. And for English speakers, typically here for us Cambodians, we can say that children that study here typically tends to have better English speaking skills.
Wonderful. I love that. I have a few more questions before the end the interview. So what message would you like to share to students out there looking for a language school or maybe thinking of joining AII? What is your one-liner or short message for that?
For me, if you want to have a lot of confidence and join many events with many amazing people, then AI look no further.
Okay, I love that. And Sakura, how about you? Would you like to share something?
If you want to study English extremely well, then don't look any further because AII is the absolute perfect place. Because not only are the staffs and the students here absolutely amazing and friendly, but at the same time, the teachers provide a lot of activities that also engage you in using your English proficiency, which not only improves your English, your listening in English, but also helps you gain confidence, especially when you go to Siem Reap and your parents force you to speak with tourists again. But not only that, if you also are an active person, you can also join AII as they have a lot of activities, not only just Halloween or Christmas from the West, but they also have like the family run or concerts that also like for teens that in their era, you can say. So I would like to suggest AII if you want to improve your English a lot and if you want to really make a lot of friends as well.
Thank you so much. Very wonderful answer. It's like I'm watching a commercial for like a food chain and then you're suggesting our food is delicious and I love that. How about you? They said you're the most talkative, so maybe you have a lot of ideas to share. Okay?
I suggest AII and everyone to study here because over here there's a lot of staff and students are very friendly and you can follow the teacher's instructions and you can also make a lot of friends.
Thank you so much. Short and sweet. And I think for the last part, since Batanak has been very, very supportive with AII, he's been very active in most of our events and activities in Chaangre campus, in the whole AII community. We have a little bit of something gift for you today. This is the AII pin. I don't know if there's any chance it can zoom into the camera. So this AII pin, we don't normally just give it to any student actually. You will be the very first student to no, I'm lying if I said you're the very first. You're the third. Yeah. In this campus, you're the very first, but you're the third. We gave it to those two students who won an award outside of the school. And then you will be having this as one of our most active students. Okay. So Miss Hui Ching, please do the honors of putting the pin. Thank you so much. And we like to say thank you to all of your support here at Aii Language Center. So to boost your confidence, to boost your performance, and also somehow a one way to remind you that you have been part of our lovely community. Okay, thank you. Let's give a big hand to Batanak right there. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us in this interview. Mommy, thank you so much. What's mommy in Chinese?
Mama.
Mama. Oh, okay. I call my mama. Okay. Mama, and for our three wonderful guests for sharing all your experiences here at Aii Language Center. Thank you so much. My name again is Jake, and thank you so much, everyone. Bye-bye.
Wow.